Okay, so guys, these are the next slimes that I'm gonna see. First, we're gonna go to the jiggly one. Okay, like it's really nice. It's really nice water slime, jiggly slime, water slime. This is amazing. It really feels like water and is pigmented. Wow, it's stretchy, everything. Like really nice. Wow, I love it. Okay. So we're gonna go to these two next, border and bubblegum slime. Okay, so I got this red slime, red bubblegum slime. So it feels really nice. Wow, look at that. It has such a nice crackle. And it looks really nice. Let's make bubbles. Yeah. Do you hear the crackles? Oh my god. So nice. So I'm obsessed with this. Amazing. So here's the bar slime. OMG. Feels so nice. Like, such a nice texture. Like, let's make it nice. Do you hear the crackles? Like, whoa. Such a nice texture. So then we're gonna go to the best part ever. Let's go.